People always want to add contrast to their planted tank in terms of color, and usually that involves adding a red or a purplish color plant. This can often be problematic in the sense that a lot of the plants that are reddish in color require a lot of light and higher levels of iron in the tank. And so often what happens is you'll buy a red plant and it won't be red, it won't turn red, it'll just stay green, or you know, it'll die on you. One of the options that we have here is red Myrio. Red Myrio is not a very difficult plant to grow, actually. It's fairly simple, and it's a naturally, you know, brownish reddish sort of color. I just got these from the nursery, so they always look a little bit better than they do after they've settled in your tank for a while, but this plant generally is going to stay a darker color. Maybe not as red, it'll turn more brownish over time, but this is the color it's going to look, and it's not a terribly demanding plant. Another one that we have is red Kabomba. This one is a little bit more difficult. Kabomba is not an easy plant. It requires a decent amount of light to grow well. And this particular one, mainly the upper part of the plant gets to be a nice sort of, you know, almost a pinkish reddish color, I guess. And that's another option for adding a bit of color to your tank. So think about those two if you're looking to add a bit of color.